Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And so the reason I did not upload this weekend is because we were busy and I couldn't upload. So anyway, thank you for tuning into this video. So today we're going to be covering just general weather pattern overall. You already know probably what we're going to do here. So anyway, let's get started. So you can see all across the nation there's not much at all going on watch warning advisory wise. A few things off the west coast here and then some up here in the northern plains into the Rocky Mountain region and all over here along the Mississippi River. Otherwise, nothing at all going on. Today we do have a slight risk for severe weather over portions of the southern plains up into the central plains there. A slight risk of severe weather. That would be for 2% tornado risk out here in Texas. And also a wind threat that comes along with that. Pretty much in just the same slight risk areas. And also a hail threat. Now, we do see that we have a marginal risk out here for wind and hail over on the eastern coast, stretching down towards the Gulf Coast. Then on the day 2 outlook, let's see if it'll load. Let's see. Okay, I finally fixed the issue. So, day 2 outlook, you can see once again we have a marginal risk for the plains, a slight risk for the southern portions of the plains, and that will be for a, let's see, 2% tornado risk here, going from the Kansas, Oklahoma, Colorado border there down into Texas. Then for the wind risk, on the wind side of things, we do have a large 5% area risk here in the plains, and then a smaller 15% risk for the southern plains. For hail, pretty much the same thing as wind, same area, percentage and everything. Then on day 3, we have this marginal risk here for the plains, and that's pretty much it for this time period with severe weather, it looks like. And let's see. So you can see not really much going on other than the rain I was zoomed in on over here in the southeast. Pretty much this system here, barely across the border there. Nothing really much going on other than this area here. But let's see. Climate Prediction Center 6 to 10 day outlook. This is valid from the 27th to the 1st of May. 27th of April to the 1st of May. So 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. Anywhere east of this line, you're going to be above average. Especially above average over here towards the Mississippi Valley, River Valley, even here for like a lot of the east. So it looks like warmer temperatures will persist, and then also above average precipitation for a lot of the areas that we're going to be above average. Some areas in the east will be below average, like just on the eastern seaboard. Let's see. Then we will go to this one, 8 to 14 day. See, this will be valid from the 29th of April to the 5th of May. And let's see. Most of the nation should be above average temperature wise. Let's see. So what about precipitation wise? Looks like mainly the eastern portions of the United States, eastern half maybe. Let's see. And then below average for California here, central California there. So other than that, like not a lot. So let's look at the Weather Prediction Center. Severe weather possible today for portions of the plains here. Thunderstorms possible generally just in this area here. It's a very broad area, I guess, for thunderstorms. And the mixed precipitation back into the northwest there, even into Colorado, still in the mountains. Probably should mainly be in the mountains where mixed precipitation would be. And then some mixed precipitation here for portions of Maine, and just regular rain outside of that. So not really much. This is valid, by the way, from 8 a.m. Eastern Time today till 8 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. This one will be valid from 8 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow till 8 a.m. Eastern Time on, let's see, what's today? Let's see, it should be Thursday. Okay. So this is for basically Wednesday. UNC mixed precipitation out for the western states here. And another broad area of thunderstorms possible for most of the United States. Severe thunderstorms are possible for some of the southern plains again. And let's see, that's about it for this here. Let's see. Day 3 to 7 hazards outlook. This is valid from April 24th to April 28th. You can see this is for heavy rain. So there is a potential for heavy rain within the next 3 to 7 days for these areas. Let's see. For the westernmost area, it looks like this threat should be for the 26th. For the central area here, this will be for the 24th. And then for the eastern area here, that'll be the 25th. That's really about it, other than the flooding threats up and down here. Flooding occurring or imminent along the Mississippi here. Let's see. So now we're going to get into the special thing that we're having for the past 2 videos now. This will be the 3rd video in a row that we're doing something special for the end. We're going to be talking about hail. What is hail? Hail is a form of precipitation consisting of solid ice that forms inside thunderstorm updrafts. Hail can damage aircrafts, homes, and cars, and can be deadly to livestock and people. So, like, if you have pets outside, it can definitely be deadly to them. Also, see. No, definitely you shouldn't go outside if large hail is falling. See, you can see the picture of the home here. That's crazy. That's some pretty big hail. You could see there. Knocked out the windows, it looked like, and it put holes in the siding and everything. Let's see, hailstones. How does hail form? So basically, hailstones form when raindrops are carried upward by thunderstorm updrafts. So let's see. Let's say that this is the cloud. Maybe I need to do that a bit lower. Let's see. Let's say that this is your thunderstorm cloud here. A nice little anvil cloud there. Oops. That's okay. Anyway, you're gonna have rising air to feed the storm. So let's say you've got rising air feeding into the storm. Let's just say that this is just a hailstorm, I guess. And you got the rising air coming into the storm and the rain droplets here. Well, first of all, we're going to need to note where the freezing line is. Let's say it's up here. Let's say that this is where it's colder than 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. You have raindrops that are falling, but they get carried upward by these updrafts, because they can be going really fast. Updrafts can be going upwards of 100 miles an hour straight up. And let's say that it just keeps getting carried, and it gets on like a dust particle and it starts crystallizing into ice, and more moisture gets onto it, and the hailstone gets bigger. And once the force outweighs the wind of the updrafts, it falls to the ground as hail. So that's when you get hail. Let's see. Generally, larger hail comes from stronger updrafts just because of the fact that it takes longer to outweigh the updrafts. Let's see. Hailstones grow by colliding liquid water drops that freeze onto the hailstone surface. Let's see. Yeah, so basically that's about hailstorms. And well, anyway, thank you for watching today's video, and if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And let's see, before you go, one thing, you should check out EpicPen. They have an on-screen pin here, the one that I've been using, and you could use the free version, or you could get one that's $2 a month, and that would include fading ink, lines, circles, squares, and arrows, a blackboard, whiteboard. Let's see, you can even get more colors here, everything like that. But anyway, thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.